Welcome to this lesson on hybrid cloud, where we explore one of the most flexible and powerful approaches to cloud computing. Hybrid cloud represents the best of both worlds by combining public and private infrastructure into a unified system. Throughout this video, you'll understand what hybrid cloud architecture is, how it works, and the real-world scenarios where it provides the most value. So, what exactly is a hybrid cloud? A hybrid cloud is a computing environment that combines on-premises private cloud infrastructure with public cloud services, creating a unified and flexible architecture. This integration allows data and applications to move seamlessly between the two environments. Think of it as building a bridge between your own data center and cloud providers like Azure, or Google Cloud, giving you the freedom to choose where your workloads run based on your specific needs. Hybrid cloud architecture consists of three key components. First, the private cloud, which is your on-premises infrastructure with dedicated resources that you fully control. Second, the public cloud, which provides third-party cloud services and scalable resources on demand. And third, the orchestration layer, which is the management system that connects both environments, enabling seamless communication and workload distribution between them. These three components work together to create a cohesive hybrid cloud ecosystem. Let's understand how hybrid cloud works in practice. Your private cloud handles sensitive data, critical workloads, and applications that must meet strict compliance requirements. Meanwhile, your public cloud provides scalable resources, cost optimization through pay-as-you-go pricing, and global reach for worldwide deployment. The key is seamless integration between these two environments. Data and applications can move back and forth based on your business needs, security requirements, and performance demands, giving you ultimate flexibility in how you deploy and manage your infrastructure. Hybrid cloud offers several compelling benefits. First is flexibility, allowing you to choose the optimal environment for each specific workload. Second is cost efficiency, as you can scale resources up or down based on actual demand, avoiding overprovisioning. Third is security and control, since you can keep your most sensitive data on premises while still leveraging cloud capabilities for other workloads. And fourth is scalability, enabling you to handle sudden traffic spikes without being limited by your physical infrastructure. These benefits make hybrid cloud an attractive option for many organizations. Let's explore three common use cases for hybrid cloud. First, data processing and analytics, where you store sensitive data on premises for security, but process it in the public cloud to take advantage of massive computational power and scalability. Second, disaster recovery, where you back up critical systems to the cloud, ensuring business continuity even if your primary data center fails. And third, cloud bursting, where your applications run on private infrastructure normally, but automatically scale to the public cloud during traffic spikes or peak demand periods. These use cases demonstrate the practical value of hybrid cloud architecture. Let's look at a real-world example from the retail industry. An e-commerce company uses hybrid cloud to balance security and scalability. They store customer payment data and personal information on their private cloud to meet compliance requirements and maintain strict security controls. At the same time, they host their product catalog, web application, and content delivery on the public cloud, which scales dynamically during holiday sales and promotional events. The result is secure data management combined with cost-effective scalability during peak shopping seasons. This strategy allows them to meet both security requirements and business demands efficiently. Let's recap the key takeaways from this lesson. Hybrid cloud combines private and public infrastructure to deliver optimal flexibility for modern businesses. It enables organizations to keep sensitive data secure on premises while leveraging cloud scalability for other workloads. This approach is perfect for businesses that need compliance, control, and cost efficiency all at the same time. And it's ideal for use cases like disaster recovery, cloud bursting, and data analytics. Understanding hybrid cloud architecture is essential as more organizations adopt this balanced approach to cloud computing. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next lesson.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.